Yes.
Amazing cosplay showcase. People have been lovingly submitting their cosplays through, and even though we can't have a formal cosplay parade, it's nice to have a little cosplay showcase. And Maz, why have you written oops?
I think he may have accidentally gone live. Yeah. Oh dear.
People demanded Matt's commentary panel. Honestly, it'll be over one of my panels because you can just hear that. Let me chuck Grogu. Hi, welcome to Cosplay Showcase. Unfortunately, we can't do a manual cosplay parade and cosplay competition, but we can show off your beautiful cosplays over a cosplay showcase.
We certainly
online.
can.
So this presentation has been lovingly made up by Rascal. So it's got some funky, transitions in. And also, what's going to be really cool is you will see mine and Sarah's first reaction because we've not seen any of the cosplays.
We haven't. And it always amazes me when we do the IRL convention, seeing everybody lining up, even like the queue to get in, and seeing all the colors going down, going on, and the costumes are incredible. And then when we call on stage, Bex or last year it was myself, when we call on stage, everybody's costumes are incredible. I mean, I can't sew a button on. So to have some of these people who are, even kids who have these amazing skills to put these costumes together, absolutely incredible.
I just like that everyone can feel free and feel themselves.
Yeah.
It's lovely. So anyway, we will start off. I don't think we've got any funky music, so I don't know.
Can't overlay funky music, I'm afraid.
All the following cosplays. I think that's a slight typo there, but we're all right. We're all right with that. Let's highlight amazing cosplayers who attend UK PC events, and this event is designed to showcase and highlight them. Be sure to hype everyone up on Discord.
We want bread.
And artwork by I can never pronounce it. I'm just gonna say Jicky. There's Laura with her Scaremaster Pinkie Pie, and I promise you she ate all that candy that was in there. Laura did a lot of Scaremaster TikToks. So it's Laura K on TikTok, and they're great. Doesn't she look incredible with the scrunchies? And
the makeup is amazing. I mean, literally that color. I could never do that color. Just the boldness of the colors are absolutely gorgeous, and of course the pumpkin.
Oh, it's just amazing.
It is incredible.
This is Princess Starglow cosplaying Rainbow Dash for Nightmare Night. Oh wow, you look amazing.
That's so sweet.
Oh, I love
I've got a bow at home. I wore it a few years ago, and it's got all the different rainbow colors. I can't pull it off. I've tried it so many times in my hair, I just cannot pull it off. That is gorgeous.
You look absolutely amazing, Princess Starglow. You look absolutely glorious. You really suit Rainbow Dash. Honestly. Just waiting for people to finish typing so I don't go past too fast. But also, I want to give people their time on stage.
Wear the outfit. It's a bow and just a plait. I tried it today. It just wouldn't work. I must get it out. I got it from Claire's a few years ago, but it sits on my
the wrong button.
My Little Pony Fluttershy and Discord diorama thing.
Sorry, I hit the wrong thing.
That's okay.
I'm loving the Halloween theme so far.
Yeah.
Next up, we have Sweet Hong Cosplay on Instagram, cosplaying Derpy Hooves. Oh wow, I love the playfulness in this. Oh, You look so sweet. You look
That's
really
amazing.
cute.
And I love the bubbles. You've got the bubbles in. You've got the wings.
Oh,
and even the little stockings are so cute.
And like the letter with the love heart. This is adorable. You look amazing. Oh, you look amazing.
Absolutely lovely.
I feel really bad if I say you're the perfect derpy because it just sounds really bad, but you really suit derpy. But I mean it in a nice way.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Let's go. gloomyjd is cosplaying light.
Ooh. See, I love fursuits, and the amount of work that goes into them is, well, it's absolutely amazing. You know, I mean, just fantastic. I mean, look at the hair. Look at the fur and the hair. That is amazing.
You look cute. Sorry, I'm kind of still a bit scared of furries. If I wasn't expecting. Oh, the head was made by
Cyril.
You look amazing.
You do. It's very, very fluffy. You're very, very fluffy and very cute, and it works. You know, just sat there and looking at a book, and yeah, I could see that working. It's very fluff.
I like the giant unicorn as well. Here's Laura again, cosplaying Applejack.
Wow.
She suits the apple horse.
Yeah, and I like the way that, because it's very hard to, I don't know if anybody's tried it, you probably all have, but it's very hard to style a wig. Very, very hard. And that looks natural. It looks so natural. And I presume it is, I don't know if it's your own hair or not. I can't really tell. Sorry?
It is a wig.
It is a wig. That is so natural. See, I try and style my own hair and then dye it, which is probably a big mistake.
I mean, fun fact about one of Laura's AJ TikToks is that Michelle Creever commented going, "Hiya, big sis," to one of them.
That is amazing.
It is, definitely. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong thing. Elena is cosplaying Princess Luna. Oh,
Princess Luna!
Oh, you look. Oh,
we've got our first Luna.
Oh, well, my favorite Princess Luna I've ever seen.
Oh, and we've got the wings and the little crown. Yeah, okay. Heart's gone. Literally, heart has just gone.
Everyone's awing in the chat.
Yeah, that is so cute.
So cute. Oh, you're brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
I love the little curtsy she's doing as well. That is so sweet.
Sweet on cosplay on TikTok, cosplaying Rainbow Dash.
Wow.
Rainbow Dash. Oh, I like that. I like the jacket. I like the element of harmony.
Yeah. The jacket, I say I could wear generally. I love denim jacket. Is it denim?
I think so.
But I do like that jacket. And I would actually wear that to work. That is brilliant.
You look absolutely like you really suit Rainbow Dash as well as Derpy. Derpy. It is denim.
It is denim. Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Oh, and yes, her makeup is amazing.
Just that style.
Bakamaz is cosplaying Fluke. Fluke is an original character. He's a king who loves watermelon.
Oh, that's cute. You see, this is a character after my own heart because on my OC, if anybody sees it out and about, you'll see that on her hind leg, she's actually got a bandage. And that's because I have an arthritic knee. So I sort of styled it. And I like the idea that, you know, you can have these slight imperfections with every different pony, and that you can incorporate that into your little OC, which is amazing. And certainly I could see that in here. You've got the bandages on there. So that's, yes, definitely after my own heart, that one.
Definitely very
and provide the horse with water lemon.
Did you say water lemon?
I said water lemon. I'm going with water lemon.
I mean, I said Ruler Tula earlier, so
yeah, we're going. Yeah, you go with Ruler Tula. I'm going with Water Lemon.
absolutely fabulous. Railway Dash is cosplaying Princess Celestia. Oh, I like this.
Nice.
I like the shoes a lot. I think that just pulls the whole outfit. Oh, wow.
So cool. Yeah, that is brilliant. And I like the cutie mark as well.
Oh, definitely, definitely.
See, this is what I mean about sewing. Yeah, this is what I mean about sewing. And also your username Railway Dash for me is personal. I love railways.
Next it'll be someone comments that it's Thomas the Tank Engine and you'll be like, yes. I just think that is fabulous.
That is amazing.
Like, absolutely brilliant. And by the looks of it, the cutie mark is on both sides. And I'll be quite honest, whenever I make a cosplay, I usually only put it on once.
That is dedication.
Hypno Hooves is cosplaying Fluttershy. Oh, Hypno, you just look amazing.
I like it.
Absolutely incredible.
That is so cute. That is amazing. Again, this is just, you can't get these costumes in the shop, so these are all handmade.
You just look amazing.
Absolutely brilliant. It really does astound me.
I like the subtle rub in of who you've met, though. Not gonna lie, I did that with me and Tabitha last time.
It's brilliant.
But you look absolutely brilliant, Hypno. I don't think there's ever been a My Little Pony convention that I've been to, that Hypno's been to, where I haven't thought, what an amazing cosplay.
Yeah.
Honestly, Hypno, you look amazing.
When I do the photography, I look at him and go, there he is. Come here.
Next up is, oh gosh, I can't even read. Lisa Bula as Trixie and Goth Fluttershy, and Alexis Jones as Twilight Sparkle.
Sweet. A Goth Fluttershy.
I love the cape. Yeah. And like the little booties on Twilight.
I had the makeup as well. Just that idea of Goth Fluttershy. Oh, that's giving me flashbacks to that episode where she was she was in Rarity's shop and she had to take over. Just one of her characters, one of her personalities.
Yeah.
That's
fabulous.
Brilliant.
Absolutely fabulous.
I like it. That's giving me happy memories.
Definitely. Fake it till you make it. Yes, that was the episode.
That's it, yeah.
Ringing a bell.
I mean, even then, that sort of gave me memories to my childhood.
Clearheart Cosplay is cosplaying Cranky Doodle Donkey, the Equestrian Girls version. I love this.
What?
I adore this. Oh,
there was a Cranky Doodle Donkey in Equestria Girls, and I missed it.
Oh.
Okay, he is incredible.
Oh my gosh, yes, Clearheart. I want to hear your cranky voice as well. Oh, I love seeing characters that you don't normally see. It just really excites me, and this is amazing.
That is
nice. You look fabulous, honestly.
That's brilliant.
And as you say, you've got the expression down to a T.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Oh.
I don't know why, but just lately I'm into characters that are completely grumpy. I don't know whether it's because I'm getting grumpy as I'm aging. But I actually have a Thomas the Tank Engine Scruffy with the most grumpiest face, and I've also got a grumpy dragon. The grumpy dragon has got the best expression. He's furious, and my mum saw him last week and she bought him from my nephew. But my nephew was like, I kept eyeing him. My nephew kept going, bear in mind he's 3, and he goes, Auntie Sarah, here you go. And he gave me the grumpy. He goes, you like Grumpy Dragon? Yes, I do like Grumpy Dragon. So Grumpy Dragon came home with Auntie Sarah.
I love Logan Berry. You've made a really good character in a show for 10 seconds cosplay. I love it. Honestly, I just adore it that people do that. Oh, you look fabulous. I'm so glad I didn't sneak a look at this properly. So I'm getting surprised and I'm like, oh, I love it. Oh, here's Laura again as Pinkie Pie.
Oh, that's so cute! I just want to get all excited. Just the hair again. The wig is amazing. The makeup, perfect. Yep. I think it's amazing.
Story
And
is
is that
brilliant.
a pinky? It is a pinky necklace.
That is actually the label off a gift bag I gave Laura. I'm being serious as well.
That's fantastic.
We like like using things.
That is absolutely fantastic.
Yes, it doesn't look like a wig.
It doesn't look like a wig.
You look fabulous, Laura, and I tell you this daily, so I sound like I'm like, yeah. But I tell you this daily. I just think you look awesome. And oh my gosh, is that the horn you were using yesterday that just didn't work?
The master. You are bringing that to PonyCon. You're bringing that to the real life con. We are having that on stage.
I'm forcing her to cosplay. Don't you worry. Don't you worry.
That is just brilliant.
And that is the end of our little mini cosplay showcase. So just huge thank you to our wonderful cosplayers who joined us.
Thank you.
And we've got cosplay chats in our Discord. So there is a cosplay work in progress, the cosplay showcase, and the cosplay positivity. Because I know, unfortunately, some people, when you try out cosplay, are like, "Oh, you look silly," you know, and I just think that's horrible. So if you need someone to hype you up, post in there, honestly, because we all will, and because this is such a loving and supportive community here.
It is.
So feel free to post in those chats. I might post some of oh wow.
I have lost the chat a second. Hang on.
Same.
I have lost the chat.
I'm trying to work out. Is that Tron?
Wait. Is that not stage questions? Where are you? Stage chat.
Yes, it is Tron. That looks amazing, incredible.
Tron Pony! It's a Tron Pony! Yes! We have Tron! Next, please. Next year, please. Can we have a TronCon? Just a mini TronCon.
I'm not important in the committee. I don't make the big decisions.
I want a TronCon. Oh. I mean, would you guys actually go for a TronCon?
No, we'll get sued by Disney.
Oh, this is incredible.
We'd
it really is.
By Disney. It would be Disney, wouldn't it?
What's that?
It would be Disney that sues.
Yeah, it's Disney. Yeah, Disney owned Tron.
Oh, great. Now Jez is in for TronCon. Oh my gosh. For next year IRL Con, Twilight Transformation dress. Oh my gosh. I have a feeling I need to start working on my next year cosplay soon.
Yeah.
The sad thing about cosplay at UK PC is because I'm running around everywhere, I learned in Bristol the hard way that trying to cosplay and trying to run events, my cosplay just falls apart on stage as well. You remember?
Were you Midnight, if I remember rightly?
No, it was Luna.
You were Luna.
Yeah, but
yes, I remember that costume. I do remember.
Yeah, because I just walked and then it just went. It's okay. I'm wearing a skirt already. But I might try and see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I was wearing a skirt underneath it. It was like I was wearing a black skirt with a blue overskirt sort of thing that I hadn't sewn properly, so I just shoved it in and then it kind of got stuck on something. I went, what? Then my horn fell off several times. My wig fell off. That was beautiful. Because we all know how beautiful we get with the wig hair.
And then when we did the underwater theme, you wore those shark shoes, which I absolutely fell in love with.
I love my shark shoes. Yeah, I do have my pony platforms as well. So yeah, I go dangerous shoes, but I will try and cosplay more. I will definitely. Anyway.